In this video, we are going to discuss the definitions of precision and accuracy. I will show you examples of the difference between precision and accuracy. We'll talk about taking measurements on a ruler and how you must add an estimated digit to the end of every measurement. And then we'll also discuss significant figures, or as I typically call them, sig figs. What exactly are significant figures and how can you calculate the number of sig figs in a measurement? Okay, let's get started. Definition of precision. Precision refers to how close together a series of measurements are to each other. So that means that if you have several measurements and they are all very similar to each other, then that set of measurements is precise. Accuracy refers to how close a measured value is to an accepted value. That means that when the measurement agrees with the correct answer, or the accepted value, then that particular measurement is accurate. So here are some examples. If a dartboard represents a target and the bullseye would be an accurate measurement, that dart, as well as these next three, did not hit the bullseye, so these are not accurate, and because they are so spread out, they're not close together, these measurements are not precise. So not accurate and not precise. Now we consider that these darts, while they are not accurate because they're not hitting the bullseye, they are close to each other. These measurements agree with each other. So they are precise because they are close to each other, but again, they are not accurate because they did not hit the bullseye. And finally, in this scenario, the darts are close together and they are on target, they are on the bullseye, so they are both precise and accurate. Well, now that you understand the difference between precision and accuracy, let's see an example with some numbers. A woman gets on the scale and she wants to decide if the scale is an accurate scale. So she decides to weigh herself on different scales, and her actual weight is 110 pounds. So on the first scale, as you can see from these four measurements, these numbers are not close together, and they are not, except for maybe 107 is sort of close. They are not close to her true weight, which is 110 pounds. So like the first dartboard, these measurements are not precise and they are not accurate. If another scale gives her the following results when she steps on that same scale 4 times, while yes, these numbers are close together, 149 and 150, her true weight is 110. So this particular scale is precise because of the consistent, reproducible results that she's getting, but it's not accurate. This scale is off by 40 pounds, basically. Finally, if this scale gives her consistent readings that are close together, 109, 110, it's both precise and accurate because the numbers are close together and they are correct.